Okay, crazy man. Ah! Are you stuck? Now don't hit Isaac. Careful! Careful, don't hit Isaac. Okay, you're crazy with the cart. Ah! Okay, go shopping.
Okay.
Go in there, Isaac. Go give him a cookie. There we go. $4. You're a good grocery. What grocery are we at?
We're at the turkey grocery.
The cookie grocery or the turkey?
The turkey, where you get turkey to eat.
Where you get cookies.
Take it.
Yum, yum, yum. Isaac, you want to turn to push the cart?
You only can have one.
You want to push the cart now again? You can take a turn. It's your turn. You want to push it, buddy?
You only
can.
have one.
Come on.
No, you
No?
only can have one.
All right.
Can I have them back?
You can push. I'm just videoing you. I'm not taking a picture. Are you eating your hand?
One. Today you only get one turkey at a time. No more turkey.
Hey now, Case and Mason.
Okay.
You're going to go just rip off the ornaments now? Show us how mad you are. There goes Isaac. Bumper. Here he goes. You got a baby? Is there a baby?
Mom,
Say hi, baby. Yeah.
folded ornament.
Oh, buddy. Put it back. Come on. No. Rotten. What are you doing? Oh. No more. Hey. No. No. Good listening. Good listening. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Hey, you're rotten. You're rotten. Why are you not doing that? Why are you doing that?